In this video, we look at how to log in into A-View. To launch A-View, double-click on the A-View icon. When A-View is launched, enter your registered username and password. User can log in either in normal mode or biometric mode. Normal mode login is the same as current A-View login process or conventional login process. It requires username and password to log in. Biometric login is a face recognition based login for A-View. It requires username and then the user's face to enter. It is mandatory to have a camera interface for biometric mode to work. Now let us look at the steps to log in A-View using biometric mode. Enter into A-View through biometric type. The live camera view will be shown in the camera interface. Enter your username and click Login. The username and the current image frame from the camera view will be sent to the server for face matching. On successful login, A-View homepage will be displayed. Mode: choose single window or multiple windows. Using multiple windows mode, you can operate A-View in multiple displays. This is used especially for large audience for better viewing experience. Forgot password. If you forget the login password of A-View, then you can get a new password in your registered email account by using the Forgot Password feature. Version verification. A-View version will be displayed at the bottom of A-View window. Click Login to enter A-View Classroom main window.